Good morning children. As you have seen in your video, two examples of conversion of decimal into binary number system. So now we will do on this paper and try to understand how we will convert decimal number into binary numbers. So let us take one example. You draw this line. Now I am taking a decimal number 7. So 7 is our decimal number. We want to convert into binary number. So the base of binary is 2. So divide the given decimal number with the base 2. Let us divide the 7 by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. So it will go 3 times. We will not take 2 4s are 8. Further we cannot go, So here we will write 3. And what the remainder will come? 1. So remainder we will write outside of the box. Again this 3 we will divide with the base number 2. So 2 divide. Now read the table. 2 1 is 2. So only one time it will go. So 1, again the remainder will come 1. Now we will write 2 here. Now you can see further we cannot divide. 1 cannot be divided. So here under this we will write 0. This way we have solved this question. Now how do we get the binary number? So bring this 1 under this remainder. This way this is known as most significant number, and which one we get on the top, that will be called least significant number. So whenever we write our answer in binary, we always take a reverse order. So how do we write? 7 is a decimal number, so we will write 7 base 10 is equal to 1 1 1 and the bracket, and then you write 2 as a base number. So 7 is equivalent to 1 1 1. Now let us try to solve one more example. Suppose my number is 15. Now take a base number. So divide the given decimal number with the base 2. So 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12, 2 7 is 14. So it will go how many times? 7 times. And the remainder will come 1. Then again we will write the base number. Let us read the table, and it will go 3 times. Again the remainder will come 1. Then take 2 as a base. Then divide the number, and 3 could divide it, and then it will come 1. Again we'll take 2. So further we cannot divide. So we'll write over here 0, and the remainder here, remainder will come 1. So this way you see, now one step is left. Bring this 1 here. So this way you see 1 1 1. So we will write our answer in the reverse order like this, from bottom to top. So 15, number 15, which is a decimal number, is equivalent to 1 1 1 1. So this way children you practice, and the base number we will write 2 here. So this you practice whatever the assignment I will give and try to solve. Thank you children.